From the company that knows garden products comes the Liberty Models 704 and 705 decorative hose reels. With their elegant style and all-cast aluminum finish, these hose reels have revolutionized the garden hose industry by providing a more efficient way of gardening than with other cheaply made plastic hose reels. These hose reels are easy to install, attached to a secure wall such as a brick or wood-studded wall. Next, attach the handle as shown. Now attach the included leader hose to the swivel connector. That's it! Your Liberty Garden Hose Reel is ready for use. And with the rust-resistant finish, your hose reel will have year-round protection in any sort of weather. Notice the shelf space located on the base unit. Here you can place your gardening tools, water accessories, or decorate with plants or potted flowers. The Liberty Models 704 and 705 hose reels are beautiful in appearance and engineered to make your gardening experience a rewarding one for years to come.